Hey y'all, it's 83 degrees here in Columbus, Ohio. And yeah, I got on long sleeves and stuff because I was out in my garden. But I don't want all that sun to hit me all at once. But I'm getting ready to harvest these potatoes. So, I think that they're petite. They're petite. Let's see what we got. Go one. Shake the dirt off. I wish I could bring y'all down closer, but look, this is how it looks. See those potatoes? They're petite potatoes. So that's the size I need because it's just me that's going to be eating them, probably. Ooh, I got a lot, y'all. And the only reason I knew they were ready because they had all fallen down. And when they start falling down, I see some little itty bitty ones, which means it probably could have stayed in maybe a little bit longer, but to be honest, I need the bags. So I need the bags. This is the potato that it came from. And you know what? I think that's a potato that I had like last year. Yeah. I think I put like 3 or 4 potatoes. Maybe 3 or 4 potatoes in this bag. So I know you gotta be kind of gentle because you don't want to bruise the potatoes. Yeah. So I'm gently using my hands while I'm down in this bag. I wish I could make this camera go down further, but you already know. Another little one. They look just like them in Kroger's, don't it? Look. This is my first potato harvest. Yay, and this is one bag I have. I have 5 bags. But I don't know if all of them is the same. Some of them might be purple. And this is the mother. This is what produced those. So I'll see how many I get. Ta-da! They had some more babies on here. But I'll compost them. Ta-da! And I'm going to definitely dump these when I'm done because I need to, like I said, I need a bag. I'm going to replant something. I got a lot of stuff in my grow tent, greenhouse grow tent, waiting to come out and to get in something a little bit bigger. So it's work, y'all, but it's fun to grow your own food and be able to eat your own food. See? Y'all see those potatoes? That's what I'm talking about. So I just wanted to take a little time and show y'all what it's like. Look at that side. To have your own food. And yeah, I got my hat on. And look, I got my pants on, so with all my pockets. So I could easily, I don't need a basket. Just put my potatoes in my pocket and take them in the house. And really tonight, who knows, I might have some potatoes for dinner. I never did get no sweet potato. I love sweet potatoes. I'm going to be on the sweet potatoes from now on, though. Okay, so. Yeah, I'll pick them all. 3. Oh, I peeled that one, got a little bruise. So definitely has to eat. I can't store it. Here go one. Here go another one. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish going through these bags, y'all, cause I got 5 bags. But I think only really only like 4 of them is ready. You see them? I'm gonna take it anyway. But that came from that potato. These is potatoes that I saved from a year ago. So I put them in a paper bag in a dark place, and I left them. And so then I planted them. Yep, I planted them, and they didn't have no. I don't think they had no roots. They was just. They may have. I can't remember. But they was old and wrinkled. That much I know. Now somebody might say I pulled them too early, but it don't matter. These little ones, yeah. Oh, here go another one. It's okay, because they look just like the bag that you buy from Kroger's. Mini petite potatoes. You know, you get all type of varieties in those bags, and so that's what I like, the variety. You get purple, and I hope I got some purple ones, because I think these was all red. But I hope I got some purple ones in some of the other bags. When I was gonna dump this, I'm gonna have to dump it to make sure I get all of them. Here go another one. So how many did I have so far? 2, 4, 6. There go a bug trying to crawl out. Get back in there. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 21 without dumping this bag, because I know there's probably some more down in there. But I want to get all this out first. So that's a nice little harvest, cause them bags cost like $5. Private selection, except when they on sale. They on sale this week. $2.99, I think. Okay. Yeah, $2.99. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dump this. I got a tablecloth here, and I'm gonna spread it out on the tablecloth. And I don't think my camera will go down that far. I don't know. Let's see. Well, yes it do. Yes it do. Let me turn it a little bit. Oh, it's gonna fall down. Y'all see them potatoes right there? Here they are. In a little pile on my thing. So I'm gonna dump this. I'm gonna dump the soil out. I'm in my garage, so there's little the bugs is running from out the bag. Let's see what else is down here. Can y'all see in here? Because that's a little baby. Little itty bitty. But you see the roots? The roots all in the bottom of the bag. And I believe that's it. That's it. So I'm gonna set this bag back outside, because I'll sift through it and amend it and reuse it, because that's what I do. No soil goes to waste. And I can reuse it. And if y'all got any questions, I don't know if you can leave them in the comments. I may be able to answer. Look, see? Go another one. So if I don't get them all out and plant something, then it may stow away for the winter time, and then next spring up come a potato. But I'm gonna try to get all of them. I got 4 more bags to go through. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy. Let me sit back down. I hope y'all enjoy watching this video. I got more stuff growing. I got my first flower on my green beans today. I seen, wait a minute, I got flowers coming on my green beans. I got my first flower on the tomato. And my apple trees and stuff are still growing. And I did start seeing some copper rust, but I got a solution for that. I made up and sprayed my trees. It's all natural solution. No chemicals. No chemicals here. I don't eat them. I don't want my trees sprayed with stuff that I don't eat. Just to say I got fruit. I'm not doing that. Not me. Not me, not me, not me. You know, because I might as well quit going out when people invite me to stuff, because it's things I just don't eat. I don't feel bad about it. So, the older I get, I gotta be more cautious or more conscious of my health and what I put in my body if I want to stay out of the hospital. So that's one reason why I grow my own, because I know what I put in it, and it's nothing. If they grow, it grow. If it don't, it don't. But I don't do Miracle Grow. I don't do none of that. I don't even do it for my flowers. Because I'm not gonna do all that. So these is all the roots. I'm just pulling these out before I'm gonna put it back in back in the bag, but it has to go through the sifter. And I ain't ready to do that yet. I just need to get them out of the ground now. So that's what's going on over here in my world in Columbus, Ohio. And I'm going to say bye for now, because it's time to go. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video once again. And if you're growing potatoes, congratulations. A lot of people don't like potatoes because they starchy, but it's many ways you can cook potatoes. I like potatoes. I don't eat them all the time. I don't eat nothing all the time, but I will eat sweet potatoes all the time if I had them. I need to get some because I really wanted to can some sweet potatoes. I don't have that many jars left. So yeah, y'all have an amazing day. See that one? But I wouldn't want to leave it. It don't need to stay in the ground. I can put that in my compost. Put it in my compost. You know, you don't never know what's gonna come out of the compost. You don't know what's gonna come out of your compost at the end of the year. What be growing? Because my compost is everything. Stuff probably not supposed to be in it. For the most part, I know what goes in it. But it's okay. It's okay. So I'm done. I'm just still picking out roots so I can eliminate all that going through the screen. I know it would be easier to just sift through this now, but it's not easy for me. What's easy for me is putting it right back in the bag and sift it probably Friday Fridays is like a easy day, a day when I don't go nowhere, like Mondays. And I have all the time in the world to get these bags filled up with what's going in them next. Because it ain't no need rushing. When you rush, you mess things up. So again, I know how many times I end this video. It's almost like somebody preaching and be like, they get right in. And God forbid they have you standing up. And they can start on another subject. But anywho, I don't see no more potatoes. So I think I got a decent little harvest out of three potatoes. 3 little potatoes that I saved. I overwintered from last year. The petite potatoes. 21, 22. I think I found another. So if I find any more, I'll let y'all know. But I'll let you know when I'm on my last bag. I might do a little short and tell you, like, those birds, they trying to watch my berries. But I put something over them because I need them berries. And they keep coming down. Whatever I was saying. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do a short, and I'll tell y'all, like, I had 5 bags, and out of the 5 bags, I'll tell y'all how many potatoes I got. So, enjoy your day, whatever you're doing. If it's hot, stay out of the heat. Stay hydrated. Yep, stay hydrated. All right, bye.